What up, YouTube? I'll be working on my 2012 Ram 1500. It has the RFE trans in it, the 65 RFE. So this is what my RAM is. I bought this Co-pilot. I know it says 2003 to 2012 RAM. It says 545 RFEs, same thing. And tells you all the nice information, nice good looking pictures. I'll put that away. Here's the wiring harness. The wiring harness, this is of course towards the transmission. This is to the factory harness. I'm pretty sure this one's go to the oil pressure line, transmission line, whatever. And then these are plugs. And then they give you the Co-pilot and some stickers. I'm gonna open that in a second. Put that to the side. I forgot to get some dialect greaser. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you get Mopar or other brands, same crap. They give you the relay. I'm gonna put all that greaser in it. And they give you two styles for your throttle pedal. So I think one of them is this one. I think I'm be using. I'll let you know in a second. They give you some zip ties, a rubber grommet. What else? And something, I don't know, a Co-pilot racing jumper. Put that to the side. Right now, I disconnect the battery right here. Disconnect it. Disconnect my power wire right here, and that goes through here. If you can see, if you guys can see it, then go inside. Don't mind the mess. I need to clean all this crap up, and then you go down here. Then you see those two 15 millimeters. You take that off. I think the whole thing comes off. I think you can get a clutch in here. I don't know if other Ram trucks. I've never seen a Ram truck with a 6-speed. But take those off. I'm gonna grab a 15 mil. Take those off. I grab my 15 mil. Then go underneath here. I already broke it loose. So just remove that. Alright, I removed that. This little black part thingy. Yeah, I just had to, tap it a little bit with the pry bar. Took that off. Now we can just throw that away. I'm pretty sure they give you that rubber grommet. And where is it? Bag. Damn, I can't find it. Let me find it real quick. Well, I got it right here. I'm an idiot. So I think this is the rubber grommet for that. Let's see, right here goes in here. I think that's kind of like a dumb thing. But these holes, I'm probably just gonna reuse this. Just drill a bigger hole. Let me find a drill bit. Just grind this out. All right, guys. I put this. I just use a drill to drill this out. If you guys can see that. Then I put the harness through here. Then let's see, it will go through. Without taking this apart, I might have to take this apart to make it work. Pull this out, put that to the side. Then you run your wire through. Wait, I don't know if I put this. No, I got it the wrong way. I'm an idiot. So I'm gonna put this out again. Just put the wire through. It goes like this, goes towards the truck. Then it goes the wiring harness. Just you gotta bend it. Grab this other side, put it in there too. Pull this through, and then grab that piece back on. I kind of broke mine a little bit, but it's okay. Put that on. I can electrical tape it if I really needed to. I don't know if this will work with the grommet. Put one thing at a time. I'll put the small one first. Put the big one. Roll over it. Not to damage the wires. On the other side. Over. There you go. Put the rubber grommet on. There you go. The rubber grommet. I'm gonna feed it to the firewall. See if it works. That one worked. And the next one. I could put that power wire back in while I'm done. And there's my, let's see. Problem is to take this out again, then attach it back inside the truck. So that's what I'll be doing. Alright, I ran the wiring harness through there. I got my power wire from my sub. The T harness is right here from ATS. Just plug it in. The tab right here, security. Then I ran it up there. And then I have it here. I thought I recorded it with my Insta360, but I didn't. Have it right here. Go up here. See the connection right here. And there, that's how it goes, how I install it. Alright, sorry about that. I'll put the relay right here. That's what the pictures has. Then the ground wire right here. I'm just gonna leave that to the last place. So I ran the wire down there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm trying to go as close to as the factory as I can. Let's go underneath. So I have the wire right there. Here's the wiring. And then, my bad, with the lighting. Right here, here's the connectors. So now we're gonna go disconnect the red tab. We're gonna go down, if I remember right. And there's like a tab right here. You push back, and then you go down. Let me see. Let's see. Tab. I'll let you guys know in a second. It's hard to do this underneath the truck. If you really wanted to, you could disconnect the cable to get more room. Alright, I did disconnect the cable a little bit just to get out of my way. So you do have to go down on the white tab, the locking tab. I put some dialect greaser. I don't know, my lighting sucks. Let's see. That's not that better. Let's see. So I'll put some dialect greaser in there. With this one, you just want to make sure you put those plastic tabs. These are right here. Just put those into the right ones, I think. I can't remember. Gotta see again. I know that these ones right here. I'll let you know in a second or two. All right. It only goes one way. I thought they probably can do it the opposite way. I'm assuming that when you push it in, it will push that white tab go up a little bit, then you click it in place and then you put the red tab on. Same thing as the new harness right here. If it doesn't want to go all the way up, you just smack it down a little bit and then clip it on. Now we're doing these ones. I'm gonna put a dialect greaser. I'm gonna go over the transmission and then go to the other side in a second. Okay, here's the transmission. I did put a resistor in here because I got a couple guys were telling me to install this. Is like a cheap $10 to make a $10 $10 or $20 on Amazon or eBay to trick the computer to put more pressure than it needs. It did shifts better, but hopefully with this one, with the ATS, it'll be much better. So basically just disconnect here and then this disconnect here. All right, got that plugged in, the new one. Make sure the locking tabs are in. You can bend the heat shield back in place. I'm probably gonna zip tie all the loose wires before putting the pilot inside the truck. So basically, I just went over the trans, and then I'm gonna zip tie it. Hopefully this helps you guys out. All right, put the key, the ground. I zip tie some of the stuff. I'll zip tie underneath, and then I'll put the pilot. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna see if I can start the truck. Got that truck running. I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put this. I don't know if I'm gonna put it here or somewhere close by. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll let you guys know how it drives. Stay tuned. Have a nice day, night, weekend, where you guys are from. Drive safe and stay dirty. Alright guys, I actually put it right here, my pilot. Looks cleaner. There's a bolt here and a bolt here to take it out. I just cut behind it, but it looks cleaner. So I'll let you know how it drives in a bit.